What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Some gloss black 437s. Don't know if you guys have seen these yet. I don't know if it's going to be in this video or the other one, but we'll see. Today I'm actually going to be removing those camber arms that I put in. Now that I don't have those SSR wheels anymore, I don't need this. It's not really excessive, it's not that much, but I don't need all this extra camber. I know these are still good to have because I could adjust it with that, but the reason is, so whenever you get camber arms, you need the rear upper and the rear front upper. So this one is the one that adjusts the caster. I don't know if you can see, but this arm, it isn't perfectly straight. So when you get more camber, it messes up the caster, basically. And caster is how far the wheel is back or forward, so it's not dead even in the center. One thing I noticed is when I had the 20-inch wheels, the 666 M's on, it was rubbing through my bumper. Look, so bad. On the other side, it's even worse. It almost made like a round thing like that. It's not that bad, it's not really noticeable unless you point it out, but dude, I know my caster's off because the car drive's kind of funny, and this right here isn't as bad as the other side. So I know for a fact this side is a lot worse. My wheel's pushed back a little more. Oh, before I was interrupted, you guys could see how bad this side is. It's like paper thin now. It rubbed through it so bad. You can see the natural body line right here, the bumper, and then once it gets right here, it's kind of like missing, then back to the original. I know it's like very minor, you can't really tell, but if you look hard enough, you can tell. And you could easily tell by just this. You could literally cut yourself with how sharp this got. I don't want to ruin my bumper anymore at all, so I'm gonna just go ahead, take the arms off. I'm keeping the toe arms just because good additional toe adjustability is always good, but I don't need the excessive camber like I said, so I'll be good enough with just the stock camber adjustment for now. Yeah, and then one more thing that I am gonna install is, let me see, I have no idea where I put it. Oh, not there. Sorry, I know it's a lot of information, but right here is SPLParts Lockout kit. You should get this for your camber arms as well, but I don't need it since I'm taking them off. But so basically, this is an adjustable toe arm right here. The stock one is just one straight thing, no adjustability at all. This is where you adjust the stock toe. Literally, this bolt moves back and forth, and that's your only way of adjustability. But since I have the adjustable arm, I don't need this anymore. So basically what, jeez, sorry, this light is not staying. Okay, so basically what these little plates will do is go up right here so that this doesn't move at all anymore. Because since this is, you just adjust this with like how loose or tight the bolt is. One little turn makes a big difference. So these will completely eliminate this so that my toe will never be messed up unless this gets loose for some reason, but that'll never happen. So good things here and there. Definitely needed this a long time ago. Just, it's like 50 bucks, just barely pulled the trigger. Didn't think I'd need it. I still don't, but it's always good to have extra precautions. But yeah, I'm not going to show you guys the process of removing the arms. You guys already saw that in another video. But once that's done, I'll go ahead and install these and then give you guys an update. Well, finally done. It was annoying, just like putting them on. That inside bolt is always a pain in the ass, but whatever. Back to normal. No excessive rear camber. more camber in the front, which is good, so when I air out it'll match evenly. Exactly what I wanted. I do have to go ahead and get an alignment now. Fitment's nice. Definitely gonna drive a lot lower. My ride height is around like right here, but yeah, now that I don't have so much camber, wheels poking out more, I don't gotta worry about it rubbing on this guy anymore. Thank God. Wheels perfectly centered, how it should be. And then I actually didn't go ahead and put on the toe arm lockout kit yet, only because, well, my toe is kind of off right now, but I didn't want to make it worse, so I'm gonna go ahead and just install this at my buddy's shop while my car's up on the alignment rack, since it's super easy and quick. Do it there, get it aligned, we'll be all good to go. The 666Ms are gone. Thank God, I hated those. 20s are not made for this car, and they're ugly, but that's just to me, that's my opinion. I went ahead and traded for some 437s in gloss black, plus cash on the other guy's end. So, win-win. Got the car aired up all the way as high as it could go. Monster trucking. About to give it a quick little wash and then show you guys how the wheels look. just washing a little foam bath. I didn't scrub it or anything. It is getting dark, too much of a hassle. I just needed to rinse it off just because of all the water spots and all that, but I'm gonna go ahead and dry it off camera just because it's gonna take a while. I'm not a fan of black wheels, but these 437s look way better than the 666M. Nobody can change my mind. I hate those. Whatever. I actually like this look. But once the CE28s are done, that'll look really good on here. Hopefully.